All AC parts have their own job, but the capacitor is the sneaky one that can zap you even when the power is off. Okay, so here's the thing about capacitors in air conditioners. They store electrical energy to help start and run the compressor and fan motors. Even after you cut the power, the capacitor can still hold a charge for a while, which means if you touch it, you could get a shock. When you're working on your AC unit, always make sure to discharge the capacitor first by using a screwdriver with an insulated handle or a resistor to safely release the stored energy. Never assume it's safe just because the unit is unplugged. Also, wear insulated gloves and use tools with rubber handles to protect yourself when handling any electrical parts. If you don't feel 100% confident, call a pro because messing with capacitors without knowing what you're doing can be dangerous. Capacitors come in different sizes and ratings, so when replacing one, make sure it matches your AC unit's specifications exactly. Keeping your condenser clean and free of debris helps your capacitor and other parts work better and last longer. Remember, regular maintenance like checking capacitors can save you from surprise shocks and costly repairs down the line. One of the most common mistakes people make is not discharging the capacitor before touching it. This can cause painful shocks or worse. Always discharge it properly before any contact. Another issue is using the wrong capacitor replacement. If it doesn't match the voltage or microfarad rating, your AC won't run right and might get damaged, so double-check specs before buying. Lastly, ignoring warning signs like buzzing noises or AC not starting often points to capacitor problems. Don't wait to test or replace it, because delaying repairs can lead to bigger, more expensive issues. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their way around AC systems and electrical components. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with customers who need reliable help for home projects like AC repairs.